Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12 Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix TikTok sound delay. So let's get started. At first, let's get into TikTok app and simply press on this and we can see clear cache option. So simply tap on that and we need to clear the cache and it is already clear here. Simply clear it and you can try recording the video again and you might see the difference, and if not you can simply go to TikTok help text. For that you need to get into your account profile and click on this three-line icon on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on report a problem. Now click on chat with us option over here. Now here you need to simply write your problem that you are getting sound delay while recording the video, and once you are done simply send this message and your problem will finally be addressed by TikTok helpdesk. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.